Hi everyone, Attorney J. Dallo here, representing clients facing serious criminal and immigration issues. The question is, what are the consequences of violating probation in Michigan? So when someone is given probation, they're actually given a really, really good opportunity, right? They're given a good chance to complete the terms of their probation, whether that means doing community service, if they have to do drug and alcohol testing, meeting with a therapist, completing, let's say, anger management classes, or going to AA, checking in with their probation officer, and that keeps them out of jail. So typically, jail will be held in abeyance, meaning it's held over the person's head, as long as they complete their probation. But if they fail somehow, or they violate probation, right? Then they go right back into court, and the violation of probation is brought up, and the judge can say, "I gave you a chance, and you couldn't follow the sort of the things that I asked you to do." And so I'm sorry, but I'm going to put you in jail for 30 days or a weekend or 9 days or whatever. Or sometimes what happens, sometimes with a combination of very good lawyering and very good luck, is the judge might say, I'm going to give you another chance. I'm going to give you another chance. Your attorney spoke very well for you, or probation, even probation might, show up in court, and they might say, we're just going to recommend to extend their probation 2 more months or something like that. So maybe a person's probation could have ended, let's say, whatever month. Let's say it was going to end in May or something, right? But then probation comes and they're like, no, we're not recommending incarceration. In fact, all we're recommending is that the person's probation continue. It would have ended in May. We're asking for that person to continue doing probation in July. So you bought yourself, more time to do probation, but at least you're not going to jail. So those are the consequences of probation. That's what probation is, right? So you're under the court's supervision and you got to do a few things. But if you fail to do it, if you violate, there are consequences. If anyone has questions about probation or any criminal or immigration issues, call me at the office. I'm here to help.